This tutorial will guide you how to turn off auto renewal on Spotify. Make sure that you follow the instructions very carefully. I'll show you on both Android, iPhone, and PC. Now also open your Spotify app. Make sure to tap on your profile. Also tap on the profile, select here your premium. And then you'll see your subscription here, which is for me is individual. So click on manage. You can see it shows here your plan will automatically renew on this date. Here you'll be charged per month. Now if you want to turn off this subscription, you have to check on where you've subscribed. Now since I paid it through the Google Play, so you can open the Google Play if you're using Android. So open the Play Store. Now tap on the profile here on the Play Store, and then select payments and subscriptions. Then select subscriptions, and then you'll see the list of active subscription. Now I do have a subscription for Spotify, so tap on Spotify, and then you'll see a button here, cancel subscription. So tap on cancel subscription, and your Spotify subscription will be cancelled on Android. But if you're using iPhone, try these steps. Now on iPhone, just tap on settings, and then tap on your profile name here, and then select subscriptions. And then you'll see the list of active subscription. Now, if you're using maybe Spotify, you'll see Spotify here. But for me, you can see there is Apple Music. So just an example, you'll have to tap on Spotify, and then you'll see a button here to cancel your subscription. If you're on PC, just open the Spotify app, then tap on your profile, and then select account. That will open into the external browser, so wait for it. You may need to log into your account that one to turn off the auto renewal. Now you can see here your plan. Now select your plan. You can see it says managed through the Google Play. So you can manage your payment method in subscription on Google Play, just like I've shown you on Android, or you can select this button, cancel subscription, to turn off the auto renewal if you're using PC.